Hi guys! Today, I'm going to give you tips on how to sleep better at night. Gusto natin maganda yung tulog para mas productive yung day natin, diba? When we have good sleep, we have a really good aura for the day, more energy, so mas productive tayo. So, what are we going to do to have a better sleep? So, ito na nga yung tip number 1. First is that we should avoid eating 2 hours before bedtime. Kasi, eating makes our blood sugar level rise. When our blood sugar level rise, our body tends to adjust by stimulating our brain to use those blood sugar. Kasi, diba, have you observed kids who have just eaten chocolates and basically food na mataas sa sugar? Grabe yung energy, hindi mauubos. So, technically, yun yung nangyayari when we consume sugary food before our bedtime. Medyo, it's hard for us to sleep. Medyo, yung katawan natin naging listless, diba? Also, it's important that we avoid stimulants before we sleep. For example, soda or soft drinks, and also chocolates. And of course, yung third, smoke as much as possible. Also with some other drugs that are not supposed to be taken if you want to have a good night's sleep. Tip number 2. So, it's important for you to make a sleeping pattern or schedule. Kasi our body has circadian rhythm. Circadian rhythm is our body's way to set time for rest and time for activity. If you set routine na like time talaga para sleeping na, yung body mo is, siya na yung humahanap na or nag-a-adjust na ito na yung time to shut down or to relax, to sleep. Siya na rin yung magsiset ng time if you are fully rested na when to wake up. May kasalihan nga tayo na early to bed, early to rise. When our body is adjusted to sleeping early at night and waking up early in the morning, so hindi mo na kailangan, it's not hard for you to wake up early when your body is already attuned to waking up early every day. And it will help also yourself to create a hobby of sleeping at that particular time of the day. For our tip number 3, kasi nga diba yung body natin, it is supposed to have a physical activity para hindi, mas maganda kasing makatulog pag yung body natin is physical exertion. For example, in the morning, banat yung katawan mo sa trabaho. For example, naglalaba ka, kung ano ng mga household chores pinagagawa mo, or kung wala naman kasi office ka, if you work out by walking, kahit yung brisk walking lang, mga 30 minutes a day, so at night, we tend to sleep better. Napansin niyo yun? Same with our body. If we regularly do exercise or walking exercise at night, it helps us to sleep better kasi hahanapin ng body mo yung rest period na deserve nito. Naka-program na siya to mend the body, 'di ba? Kasi imagine kung wala tayong sleep, work tayo, edi ubos yung energy mo, wasak yung katawan mo, yung energy, yung fatigue is delikado. So, kailangan din natin ng rest. So, it's important for you to achieve a peaceful night's rest na meron tayong physical exertion during the day. Ang physical exertion at night, pwede rin, pero I think it should be conducted, wag naman masyadong strenuous yung activity. Pwedeng light lang siya, and it could be done, say, an hour before your time of sleep, okay? Let's go to tip number 4. Ang tip number 4 ko is to set an environment that is conducive for sleep. For example, your room should be darker. Ako, prefer ko talaga pitch black matulog kasi I find it distracting kung merong nakasiwang na ilaw or may light somewhere na naka-on sa room. Actually, it has to do with our melatonin kasi din. Melatonin is the hormone that induces sleep. The production of melatonin is increased when the room is pitch black or when it's nighttime. So, alam mo yung, mas iba talaga yung tulog natin pag gabi, di ba? Kasi yung natural natin na hormones ay napoproduce helping us to sleep, okay? Also, it's important that our room should be comfortable enough. Hindi naman siya masyadong mainit, hindi naman siya masyadong malamig. So, yung tama lang. For example, you have AC in your room, make sure that you have thick blankets para hindi naman nahihirapan din yung body natin. Nagka-counter kasi siya sa temperature kasi may mini-maintain siyang temperature. So, if you have cooler room because of air conditioning unit, you make sure that you have sheets that are thicker, comforters, para komportable ka sa pagtulog. Minsan nga yung iba nakakatulong din yung may mga scents sila nauuso na yan ngayon. Actually, they too are calming. So, parang pag nakakam ka, di ba, when you're about to sleep, for you to have a restful sleep at night. So, yung mga lavenders, yung mga scents or scents na talagang nagpapakalma. For my tip number 5. Tip number 5 is make peace with, I think because nawala na ako ng mga iba pang tips, make peace with life na lang. Kasi pag meron tayong mga anxiety na hindi natin na-address, nakakabagabag din sa ating pagtulog, nakaka-istorbo, ilang oras ka na nakahiga, hindi ka pa rin makatulog because you have to tackle your anxieties in a way that could be productive for you. So, hindi naaabala yung tulog mo. For example, marami kang activities, especially my big event the next day. It will help if you create a to-do list in order for you to address yung mga kailangan mong gawin na immediate para ma-address mo agad, magawa mo agad. And then those that can be done on the later time of the day, pwede mo yung, di ba, ipahuli. And of course, make peace with life because, for example, meron kang mga nakaalitan, mga, sa work maybe, or sa kapitbahay, o kahit saan, they create a huge burden on our chest na kailangang i-release, diba? So, if our chest is lighter, our brains are less occupied by these negative thoughts, we think of happier thoughts and it is able to aid in our sleep. So, importanteng ma-address mo yon. Importanteng, mas maganda kung mas ma-avoid mo para, di ba, peaceful ang buhay. So, it's important that for others, nagme-meditate sila in order for them to sleep. Others, yes, praying is healthy. So, praying also helps. Alam mo yung lahat ng mga anxiety mo, ilabas lang natin, i-communicate natin, especially if wala tayong mapagsabihan. Prayer is a strong form of release for all of our burdens na talagang nakakagaan at nakakatulong ng sleep. Among other things na ginagawa ng mga tao to lighten up their load para, one go na yung sleep mo. And mas maganda sa sleep kasi, yung pagkagising mo, you feel reinvigorated, re-energized. So, if you feel that way when you wake up, alam mo maganda yung tulog mo. So, I think that would be it for our episode for today. And I hope everyone gets to have their well-deserved good night's sleep. Bye and good night!